We've gone from messy data to a decision engine with language on top. Now zoom out. What is an AI system really? Let me tell you a story with no technology in it at all. It happens at that school with 60 rooms of grass. Meet John. John has cut grass all his life. The moment he sees a lawn, he knows which cutter, how much to take off. Everything. Point him at grass and he cuts it perfectly. One problem, John speaks no English. You cannot explain anything to him. Meet Sunita. Sunita speaks perfect English. The principal says, find which areas have grass grown beyond the permissible limit. Sunita understands completely and she can survey all 60 rooms. But she cannot judge whether any grass is ready. She says, I understand, but I can't decide. So they bring one more person. Mister, he does exactly one thing. He looks at grass, 5 centimeters. Law says 3. Cut, that's it. He barely talks and he never cuts. He only decides.
So none of them can solve it alone. The solution isn't a person at all. It's the team.
That's the whole insight. Sunita takes the principal's request and surveys the school. She is your language model. She shows her data to Mr. He is your decision model, the expert. Then she walks John to area 2 and John, your actuator, cuts exactly 3 centimeters. Every AI system is these 3 jobs. Interpret the need, decide, and execute. Even with zero machine learning, the roles exist. AI just fills the roles with models and machines instead of people. So the school's real solution looks like this. A language engine that talks to the principal, a decision model that says, yes, area 2 by 3 centimeters, and a robot that cuts, then reports back in plain English. Done, here's the cost. Next, the question most people skip. Do you even need AI when simple code is enough? See you there.